number of certain type of bacteria increases exponentially. This is the keyword. At a rate of R% each day. After 22 days, the number of this bacteria has doubled. Find the value of R, 3 marks. This one is compound interest. Say I put 1,000 because usually we put 1,000 for easier calculation. They say has doubled, then this is 2,000. Can we assume that? Let P equals to be 1,000. Okay, then I try to do this calculation. 1 plus interest rate over 100 to the power of 22. And then I move 1,000 there. It becomes 2 R over 100 to the power of 22. And then I cube root 22. See whether I can get answer or not. Then I get 1 plus R over 100. Let's see what is this. 1.032008. Something like this. Minus 1 equals to R over 100. R times 100, right?
Yeah.
3.2?
Yeah, that's the answer.
That's the answer.
Yeah.
Wow. I never round. I take everything from calculator. I get exactly 3.2 something. So usually when we lack of information, we can always put some numbers in. They given us the clue has double, so I put 1,000, 2,000. Easier, right? Hey, if you really like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more mathematics tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.